In this video, we are going to work the layback. In this video, we'll be working on a combo using the layback, the side sit, and the aerial pirouette. First, let's have a look at the full sequence, and then at the part we are working on. The layback from the pose sit is pretty simple. We're going to go into a pose sit. I'm just going to do it here. I'm leaning towards the side. I'm squeezing my legs. See? Squeezing my legs together like this. And I'm going to slowly slide my top leg. I'm going to slide my big toes along my ankle. And in the meantime, I'm going to start leaning back. So getting my hands low on the pole to lean back and tilt my pelvis, just like a back arch on the floor. Higher your hand will be, higher your shoulder will stay. Lower you bring, see, higher my shoulder will be high. Lower I bring my hand, more I can lean. So it's up to you. I'm using, in this series, I'm using the layback to slow down the pole, otherwise it's gonna go too fast. Let's try it. We're gonna climb, get into a pose sit, and lay back. Make it look cute, point your toes. I'm in my pose sit, squeezing with my leg. And tilting. This is your layback. It's a pretty simple but very cute position on the pole. Hope you enjoy this little video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to be notified for the part 2. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Leave a like. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.